In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Wix website, adding HTML code to Wix. Wix.com, Tutorial for Beginners, 2020. Start by heading to your Wix account and opening the My Sites page. From there, choose the site you want to work on by selecting it and opening the editor. Once the editor loads, we'll add a custom HTML element. In the left sidebar, open the Add panel, then go to Embed Code. Choose Popular Embeds and select the HTML option. This tool lets you add things like forms, countdowns, or widgets provided as HTML or iframe snippets. An HTML frame will appear on your canvas. Click the highlighted element to open its settings, then choose to enter your own HTML. Paste or type your code into the field. If your provider gave you an iframe snippet, paste the entire snippet, including the opening and closing tags. If your code references external assets, make sure the links use HTTPS so they load securely. When you're done, double-check for any missing brackets or stray characters that could break the embed. Click Update to render a preview inside the editor. If the box shows an error, it usually means the code includes scripts that Wix blocks for security, or there's a typo. Try using an iframe version of the embed, or verify that you copied the snippet exactly. With the element still selected, open its settings again to add alt text or a title. This helps screen readers describe the embedded content and can improve accessibility. Keep the description short and specific, like embedded booking widget or event countdown timer. Save or update those changes. Now make sure the element is positioned and sized the way you want. Click the highlighted HTML box and drag it to the right spot on your page. Use the resize handles to fit it within your layout. If you see scroll bars, try increasing the height until the content displays cleanly. In the settings, confirm you're in the HTML mode rather than the website address mode so your code runs correctly. When everything looks good in the editor, click Publish in the top right to push the changes live. After publishing, choose View Site to open your live page in a new tab. Test the embed by interacting with it just like a visitor would. If something doesn't load, refresh the page and recheck the code for HTTPS links and proper tags. That's it. You've added custom HTML to your Wix site